Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this eyeshadow look using the new Jeffree Star Cremated palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to take this shade right here. It's just a matte white and it's in the color Death Blow, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and blend it down. And I'm just using a flat brush. I'm going to pack that on my eyebrow bone, or my brow bone, and slowly blend it down. So I had already done my face makeup, so I do have just a little bit of concealer and setting powder on my eyelid. I really want to try like these light gray shades because I've never really played around with these tones like this. So I think I am going to go in with this color first, just because I'm so curious to what it's even gonna look like. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is in Bureau Gown. I'm just taking a small blending brush. Oh. Do you guys see? There was a little bit of pickup. I wasn't expecting that. I guess don't go like go and it should be fine. So I'm gonna put this as my transition color. That is a really interesting color. I've never worn that color on my eyes before. It's like a beige, but it has like a hint of green. It looks really cool. These shades are blending so easily. Like I'm not even working at all. Like the brush and the eyeshadow are doing it all. Now I'm going to take the color Wednesday and I'm going to put this color a little bit lower. They're blending so nice. Okay. So now I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush. So now we're really gonna deepen this up. I think I'm leaning towards this color right here. Again, it looks like it has like a green tone to it. So this color is called Inheritance, and I'm really gonna focus this on my crease, and I'm gonna try not to bring it as high. The darker shades don't have as much like pickup. Okay. And with that same brush, I'm going to go into this one, Solemnly Swear, and I'm gonna use that to blend this color out. That same small brush. I cannot express how nice these eyeshadows are blending. Like, wow. I really want to try this shade, Diamond Ashes. It looks really glittery, and we're gonna do that in the inner corner. I might have to wet it, but I just want to try without wetting it first. And this is just a small packing brush. Wow. Mind you, wow, look at that. All I'm using is concealer. I'm not using any glitter glue or primer. This is just concealer. Whoa. Now we're gonna take, really want to do this one. We're gonna do this one, in most of our lid. I'm going to wet it. Wow. Let's try it with our finger. Yeah, it also works good with the finger. I want to know how I'm not getting any fallout, even when I'm using my finger. Like, what? How do I not have fallout yet? Nothing. So crazy. And let's just go into Angel of Death in the outer corner. So I had very slight fallout with that, but it's really nothing. Small brush. So for the lower inner corner of the lash line, bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with white first, and then I think I'm gonna go over it this color. I'm going to be using the Essence. Oh my god, I kept saying Wet n Wild. It's the Essence Super Last Liquid Eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna put some mascara, and then I'm going to put these eyelashes. These eyelashes are from Wink Mink, and they're in the style Urani. So I'll be right back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you love it? I love it. So if you like this eyeshadow look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.